on the dyno today is a 415 cubic inch small block Chevrolet. This is a ProCharged motor. We have a F1X ProCharger on here. This engine's running on E85, fuel injected. What's all in this engine would be we'll start from the bottom and work our way up basically. Got a Motown block, Kelly's Dragon Star crank, Kelly's rods, custom diamond pistons with wrist pin upgrades, coated pistons for the added skirt coating, and the tops for the added heat for the amount of boost that we're going to be throwing at this engine. CNC custom solid roller camshaft, custom solid lifter or severe duty lifter, Wilson ported intake manifold, Wilson throttle body, Airflow Research 235 CNC ported cylinder heads, shaft rocker setup, fuel injection, coil unplug system. It's kind of a mess right now, but that'll be fixed once it's actually installed into the engine. Running through an intercooler. There's our trusty little cooler. This motor is just shy of 1600 horsepower and just shy of 30 pounds of boost. That's just about the max of where this motor will go. There's a little bit more in it, but a few more things are going to have to be added in order to get past that threshold. But all in all, pretty solid piece. So we'll make a dyno pull and show you some numbers.